scrolling right now, put the wine glass down and listen to me. If you own a beautiful home in South Florida and you are just blindly paying your tax bill every single year without using the strategic loopholes I'm about to share with you today, you are literally begging to throw your hard-earned money away. You are voluntarily donating your wealth to the government. I see people making this completely avoidable error every single day in Palm Beach, Jupiter, and Miami. The truth is, many homeowners drastically overpay their taxes simply because they do not know the rules of the game. Today, I am giving you the top 5 tax strategies to keep your money in your own pocket, exactly where it belongs. Strategy number 1 is deducting your mortgage interest. If you itemize your deductions on your tax return, instead of just taking the standard deduction like an amateur, you can actually write off the interest you pay on your mortgage. But here is the critical catch you need to know. For loans taken out recently, you can only deduct the interest on the first $750,000 of your mortgage loan. If you bought your house and secured your loan before December of 2017, you are grandfathered in up to $1 million. If you live in a luxury waterfront property in South Florida, you absolutely need to be tracking these numbers. Strategy number 2 involves your property taxes. As you probably know, we do not have a state income tax in Florida, but our local county property taxes can be absolutely brutal, especially if you are newly buying into the market. According to the breakdown, the state and local tax deduction limit has actually increased to $40,400, which is a huge jump up from the previous $10,000 limit. This is a massive game-changing update for homeowners who live in states with extremely high taxes. So, when you are paying those hefty Palm Beach County property tax bills, make sure your certified public accountant is maximizing this deduction so you get some real relief. Strategy number 3 is the capital gains exclusion. And let me tell you, this is a massive wealth builder. When you go to sell your primary residence, you might not have to pay a single dime of tax on the profit you make. If you are filing as a single person, you can exclude up to $250,000 of pure profit. If you are married and filing jointly, you can exclude up to $500,000 of tax-free profit. The only condition here is that you must have lived in that specific house as your primary residence for at least 2 of the last 5 years before you decide to sell it. This is exactly why buying a home in a booming luxury market like ours is the smartest financial move you can possibly make. Strategy number 4 is for all my entrepreneurs, consultants, and business owners out there. It is the home office deduction. If you work for yourself and you use a specific portion of your home exclusively for your business operations, you can write off a portion of your overall housing expenses. You do not have to make it complicated. You can use a simplified method to calculate this deduction, which is just $5 per square foot of your dedicated office space, up to a maximum of 300 square feet. That is an incredibly easy $1,500 tax deduction just for waking up and working from your own house. And finally, we have strategy number 5. This is my absolute favorite trick in the entire business. It is called the Augusta rule. This phenomenal rule allows you to officially rent your own personal home out to your own business for up to 14 days every single year. You can use your house to host business meetings, corporate retreats, building events. The brilliant part about this strategy is that your business gets to claim the rental cost as an official, legitimate tax expense. At the exact same time, you personally receive that rental income completely tax-free, and you do not even have to report it as taxable income on your personal tax return. It is completely legal, and it is a spectacular way to pull money out of your business tax-free. Are you ready to stop acting like an amateur and start dominating your real estate goals? Whether you are looking for a luxury estate in Palm Beach Gardens or a waterfront condo in Miami, you need a broker who understands the financial mechanics behind the deal. When you work with my team, you get access to guaranteed 10-day closings and 5-day mortgage commitments. We move fast, and we structure your deals exactly right the first time. Pick up your phone and call me directly right now at 561-406-0717. Let us get to work. I am Irina Telmakova, proudly with Echo Fine Properties.